perfectly cooked steak on my cast iron skillet, which I think is a Lodge skillet. Okay, I've just finished cooking right as the rain is starting again. I have perfectly pan-grilled steak and a salad with lettuce and tomatoes and bacon bits and cheese and onions and some green peas. Trying to eat at least a little bit healthy. Clyde outside, coming to you from Sequatchie, Tennessee. Let's go check out some waterfalls. January on the Cumberland Plateau is cold. Not Michigan cold, but just cold enough to make me bundle up well. I came to Denny Falls near Jasper, Tennessee to look at some rocks and shake off whatever funk 2025 left behind. This whole plateau used to be under a vast sea, which is hard to believe when you're climbing through these rock structures on a 3-mile out and back hike. Sandstone, shale, limestone, very old rocks, but very unconcerned with humanity's problems. The falls show up quietly and build to a roar. Just water, following gravity, and doing its thing. And yes, I did get in the pool at the bottom for a January cold plunge. It was instant regret cold, the kind of cold that brings you out of your funk. Back at the van, I got civilized with dry clothes and a hot, simple meal. There's something hard to beat about being warm and fed while winter does whatever it wants just outside. A cold hike, cold water, hot food, a cozy van, old rocks, a new year, and that's enough for me. This is Clyde outside, wishing you a wonderful 2026.